So you want to round every single image on your Squarespace website. Well, luckily, you don't have to do it manually. There's a snippet that you can add into your custom CSS that's going to save you a whole host of efforts. Now, imagine you are halfway through building your site, or you've built your site, you've shipped it, and you think, you know, my site has a softer look. The buttons are rounded. You know, I want all my images to have that same softness to them. Well, you're going to have to go through and manually change every single one. And that is just a ton of hassle. So I'm going to save you that now. I'm going to show you a couple of things. There's a couple of notes that I had to work out with some section backgrounds, but we'll get into that now. So we're on the site and you can see everything has straight edges. All the images have straight edges. Now, if I go into pages and I head down to custom code and custom CSS, I can add in, so this is something that I was working on just before the video. Basically, if I zoom in here, it's image, and then we're also going to target the section background. But before I show you that, I'm just going to take that out and show you what happens. So with image, that is going to target, you know, all images, which is fine. It's going to round these, it's going to round list section, and it's going to round background images on sections. So let me just save this and go into the editor. You'll see that this is an inset section. So background, and then, you know, we could have full bleed and we could have inset. But you'll notice we have these weird things here. So I couldn't get it to work on the hero section, so the full bleed. But if we go into here and we add back in our section background, it's gonna round the whole of the background here. So this will round every image on your site. The only issue that arises is then you have this background here on the full bleed. But apart from that, every other image is going to be rounded nicely, even your inset section backgrounds. So hopefully that helped. I know it's not ideal with the full bleed images, but if you do want to take that shortcut and just round everything, then that is how you do it. If you did find it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.